Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to create a beautiful container garden. Let's get right into the video. So right behind me I have this green stalk garden. It's a garden tower that is about 5 feet tall, I'd say, and it has all these little pockets where you can grow whatever you'd like. Growing in a green stalk is so beneficial for anyone that lives in an apartment with only a balcony to garden in, because they only pretty much take up like 1 or 2 square feet of space, so you can still have your seating area on your balcony, and there is so much growing area in this little green stalk. So this is the original. These have the deeper pockets so you can grow anything in them. I'm currently growing a lot of lettuce in my green stalk because it is fall, aka why I have the warm sweater on, because it's like 10 degrees right now, which is freezing for all of you that are in the States and have Fahrenheit. So here's the Fahrenheit for you. I have the lettuce and I also have some basil here that I use in salads, in sauces, in all my everyday cooking. So yes, I can grow so much in this one green stalk. It's actually crazy. Okay, so another way that you can grow a container garden in your backyard is pots. Pots are everyone's go-to. They keep your plants contained. If you want to grow a couple different things on your balcony, then by all means, pots are your best friend. If you want more than a couple things growing on your balcony, maybe you want to grow tomatoes and lettuce and herbs and all different types of stuff, then the green stalk is definitely your friend. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing down below. Another way to container garden is grow bags. These grow bags are so useful for larger plants, and these ones I actually just got off of Amazon. They were super cheap and they came in a big package. I believe the package was about somewhere around $20 to $30, and they came with, I believe, about 20. It might have been 10, but I think it was 20. Another way that you can grow a container garden in your balcony or anywhere you have is these little hanging baskets. They come in different shapes and sizes. This one you can actually, it has the hooks to hang off your balcony, and right now I don't really have much growing in it because we had to pull the flowers that were in there out, but yes, they're very good for growing maybe a couple little flowers on your balcony. Just behind me we have a hanging basket there, and that's another way that you can grow a container garden in your backyard. These different methods or containers that you can use in your garden are a big variety. You don't have to use all of them. You can use 1, 2, 3, whatever you'd like, but if you do use all of them, you will have a beautiful, versatile container garden at home. Alrighty guys, so that is how you grow a beautiful container garden anywhere, especially if you live in an apartment or a condo. These container style methods can also be used if you live in a backyard or on a big piece of property. It's not just for one person, it's for all. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.